China's defense giant Norinco has just unveiled the Tianyan Sky system, a revolutionary artillery-launched drone that can be fired from any standard 155mm howitzer and reach targets over 10 kilometers away in mere seconds. Developed alongside the Chinese Air Force and the Shaanxi Research Institute of Applied Physics and Chemistry, Tianyan abandons fragile electronics during launch by relying on a robust stainless steel capsule and an ingenious 8-stage pyrotechnic separation sequence. Upon exiting the barrel, miniature charges composed of lead azide and boron compounds activate automatically, ejecting panels one by one to release the drone in perfect timing, all without any external control and functioning reliably in temperatures from -50°C to +80°C. Although the concept of artillery-launched drones dates back to 2013, early attempts faltered due to the 36,000 G-forces involved. By shifting to mechanical systems that survive extreme overloads and perform precise multi-stage separations, Norinco has now field-tested Tianyan under live fire, stress, impact, and environmental trials. Unlike Western loitering munitions such as AeroVironment's Switchblade or Uvision's Hero 30, which require specialized catapults or electric motors, Tianyan uses existing artillery platforms for virtually unlimited mobility and near-instant deployment. Its unpredictable trajectory and lack of sensitive electronics during launch make it extremely difficult to intercept. Tianyan promises to transform deep reconnaissance and rapid strike operations, especially in GPS-denied or electronic warfare environments. A battery of howitzers could, in theory, unleash dozens of these drones in under a minute, showering enemy defenses with real-time intelligence. With this fly out of a cannon capability, Norinco and the PLA are redefining the speed and survivability of unmanned platforms on the modern battlefield.